Hello everyone. Today I will explain or make explanation about fixation of laptop camera. Sometimes you want to make a video or to make Zoom meeting, or you will find your camera off. It does not work. In this case, you have to go this for start, and then press start, then press setting, then go to the go down here and press update and security, then go to the window update and press it. Then you will find here instead of install now, you will find word restart. You have to press restart the laptop, it will be started, then the camera will be fixed. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to make me excited, and go ahead, you have to subscribe and make like. Thank you for watching.